Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download tweaked apps on your iPhone. So let's start. First open Settings. Scroll down to General. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Now tap on Erase all content and settings. Then tap on Backup then Erase. And your iPhone will have a factory reset. When factory reset is completed, log in back to your Apple ID. Then restore your backup. When you are done, open Settings and tap on Wi-Fi and then connect your Wi-Fi. Now tap on the I button of your Wi-Fi. Scroll down and tap on Configure Proxy. Now select Automatic and paste this URL. Now close Settings and open a browser. Enter the URL ToDoBox.io. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on Install Now. Now scroll down and tap on the certification ZMN. Tap on ZMN again and it will start downloading. And then if you go to your home page, you'll see the ToDoBox app is now downloading. When it is done, you'll get to download any tweaked apps from there. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.